Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. We have two cases. First case is cause number 327014. Second case is cause number 327016. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Darius Devon Jones. Mr. Jones, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jones, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Jones, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jones, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Jones?
I'm doing fine today. How about yourself?
Well, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Mhm.
Okay, Mr. Hold on a minute. Mr. Jones, you are represented in this case by your attorney, Tom Burbank. Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
I'm still looking for the breakfast bar, Your Honor, here
Okay.
for a little snack, but I'm doing fine.
Oh, that's good. Now, Mr. Burbank, do you waive a record in Mr. Jones' cases?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jones, in cause number 327014, I have before me an information that has been filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This information alleged that on or about March 13th of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of failure to identify fictitious name. Now, Mr. Jones, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Jones, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No content.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Jones, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Mr. Burbank, it has that this is a Class A misdemeanor box is checked. Do I have your permission to check, to correct it and put it in the Class B misdemeanor box?
Yes, Your Honor, I must have thought it was the other gentleman I was representing. I apologize.
Okay, now, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
this is a Class B misdemeanor. The range of punishment for a Class B misdemeanor is confinement in the Jefferson County Jail for a period not to exceed 180 days, a fine not to exceed $2,000 or both such fine and confinement. Mr. Jones, do you understand the range of punishment for this offense?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, Mr. Jones, there's two sets of initials. One set initials is your attorney set initials, and the other set DJ next to your attorney's initials. Did you place your initials on this document next to a box that's checked no contingent?
Yes, sir.
And on the next page of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Jones, on the next document, which is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, there's also a signature on this document above the line that's titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this same document, Mr. Jones, there are two boxes that's checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you give up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Jones, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Jones, before you signed and initialed these documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Burbank, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me state's exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment, and also state's number 2, the probable cause affidavits, which is in the court's file. State, you like to offer states 1 and 2?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states 1 and 2.
No
Any-
objections to states 1 and 2, Your Honor.
No objection, states 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. Burbank, you've advised and counseled Mr. Jones. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Jones, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jones, your attorney, Mr. Burbank, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jones, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea of no contest in this case, Your Honor, the state is recommending confinement in the Jefferson County Jail for a period of 30 days, Your Honor, to run concurrently with his jail time in felony case 20-34840. And
20 you said 20 dash what?
34840.
Okay,
And the state is asking that the court give defendant credit for any time to which he is entitled by law.
okay. Hold on a minute.